Here's my new Lowrey player piano. This is actually made by Aeolian, but it has a Lowrey nameplate on it. It's kind of hard to see it there. I'll try and get some better videos of it when we get things a little bit more cleaned up in here. It's just an absolute mess in this living room. So I hadn't even really planned on getting this, but they made me a real good deal on it, so we went ahead and put it in the truck and hauled it home. And I wanted to make sure it came right into the house and didn't spend any time outside like in the storage unit, because it's in such good condition. It was probably never left that house that it was first put into. And I've got the all of the documentation with it. So now we'll try a piano roll. One problem with it was that this came from an estate sale, and at the sale they couldn't get it to work, and they didn't try the pedals on it. In order to make sure that it actually works, I got the pedals out and pumped it, and it does work pumping it. We got it on this dolly here, so it's kind of hard to do it. It's got a vacuum pump in it, and the problem was that there's a micro switch up inside of here that's supposed to detect when the roll has ended, and the micro switch wasn't working properly. It was out of alignment somehow. There's the sensor for it. So I just bypassed the micro switch. I just removed it from the circuit. You can see up under here is the switch. So I just put the wire nuts right to the switch contacts. I'll try and see if I can figure out how the micro switch is supposed to be set up. But this is Lowrey, and this is just a badge engineered deal. It's really an Aeolian. I don't really know why they put a Lowrey nameplate on it. It even has a little atom symbol there for electronic organs. And the finish on this is just pristine. It's always been in a house. And at one time they also had a Wurlitzer Spin-It organ. This looks kind of like an Elton John-like character from the 70s here, playing the Wurlitzer 4037 with the Orbit 3 synthesizer. I actually don't have that particular model. I have a little bit later one. So now let's test the Lowrey player piano. Here's the control panel. This thing flips forward. Sustain pedal activation, bass and treble. These, if you press this, it'll mute the bass or mute the treble. There's a mandolin attachment with a thing that's kind of like a choke control right here, and you pull that out to activate the mandolin system, which uses leather strips with little pieces of metal in it to give a mandolin effect. And I'll try and demonstrate that later once I can get it opened up. So I'm going to now make sure it's in play. Here's the play or rewind control. I'm going to put it in play, turn on the vacuum motor. Let's adjust the tracking here. We're going to adjust the this roll is a little old. Yeah, I just transposed it there. Let me try it with a newer roll. I like this particular roll, but it's kind of worn, so it's not really staying in tracking. I'll try a newer one so you can really hear how it works. Now I have a QRS roll installed, so I'm going to put it on the take-up reel and start out, get it set up there. Now I'll go ahead and try the. Go ahead and turn on the vacuum motor. We'll see how this one plays. Well, it detected the automatic rewind. Now we'll get one of these rolls that'll actually play here. Okay, I'm going to try this one. I know this one played earlier. Okay, so let's start it up here. It's in play. Go ahead and rewind it manually. Sometimes the auto rewind was causing it to tear on the side of the roll. So I'll get this kind of in a little bit better position here, and we can make some more video demonstrations of it. This is just kind of a first test of it, just getting it home.